Is Bitcoin on the cusp of a massive surge? In this video, we'll explore the signs and signals that suggest Bitcoin could be poised for a massive explosion in 2025. From institutional investment to global economic trends, we'll dive into the factors that could drive Bitcoin's price to new heights. Whether you're a seasoned crypto investor or just curious about the future of digital currency, this video is a must-watch. Get ready to learn about the potential catalysts that could send Bitcoin soaring in 2025. Did you know Bitcoin's price has experienced swings of over 300% in a single year? Experts now predict that by the end of 2025, Bitcoin could either break past $200,000 or face one of its sharpest corrections yet. The question is, are you ready to ride the wave? Bitcoin, often referred to as digital gold, is the world's first decentralized cryptocurrency, created in 2009 by the mysterious Satoshi Nakamoto. Operating on a blockchain, Bitcoin offers a transparent, secure, and tamper-proof way to store and transfer value without the need for intermediaries. In the financial market, Bitcoin has emerged as a revolutionary asset, challenging traditional notions of currency and investment. As institutional adoption grows and regulatory clarity improves, the interest in Bitcoin has skyrocketed. Analysts believe 2025 could be a pivotal year, with many pointing to the next Bitcoin halving as a key driver for its potential explosive growth. With its history of dramatic price increases following previous halvings, Bitcoin remains a hot topic for investors and financial enthusiasts alike. Despite Bitcoin's growing popularity, significant skepticism surrounds its future, fueled by several concerns. Regulatory challenges. Governments around the world remain divided on how to handle cryptocurrencies. While some countries have embraced Bitcoin, others have imposed heavy regulations or outright bans. Uncertainty about how governments will regulate Bitcoin, particularly in major markets like the US and the European Union, poses a risk to its widespread adoption. Stricter regulations could stifle innovation and investor confidence, or, conversely, offer more stability by establishing clear guidelines. Market saturation. As more cryptocurrencies enter the market, Bitcoin's dominance has been questioned. Newer, more scalable cryptocurrencies with improved technology have emerged, prompting some to question whether Bitcoin can maintain its position as the leader in the space. The rise of central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, also threatens Bitcoin's role as an alternative to traditional fiat currencies. Technological hurdles. Bitcoin's blockchain, while groundbreaking, faces scalability issues. The Bitcoin network can only handle a limited number of transactions per second, leading to delays and higher transaction costs during periods of high demand. Though solutions like the Lightning Network aim to address these challenges, they are still in the early stages of adoption and development, leaving questions about whether Bitcoin can scale effectively for global usage. These factors contribute to a sense of uncertainty, with critics questioning whether Bitcoin can overcome these obstacles to fulfill its long-term potential. The case for Bitcoin's potential surge in 2025 is strongly supported by current market trends, expert opinions, and historical data, with several key factors coming into play. Historical data and past halvings. Bitcoin's historical price performance following its halving events provides a compelling argument for its potential in 2025. Halvings occur approximately every 4 years, reducing the mining reward and tightening the supply of new Bitcoin. Previous halvings, 2012, 2016, and 2020, have been followed by substantial price increases, often leading to all-time highs in the subsequent year. For instance, the 2020 halving preceded Bitcoin's dramatic rise from around $8,000 in mid-2020 to nearly $69,000 in late 2021. The next halving, expected in April 2024, could once again reduce supply and fuel the demand for Bitcoin, leading many experts to predict a price surge in 2025. institutional investments. Institutional adoption of Bitcoin is another major driver. In recent years, large financial institutions, hedge funds, and corporations have increasingly moved to incorporate Bitcoin into their portfolios. Notable companies like Tesla, MicroStrategy, and Square have made significant Bitcoin purchases, and Bitcoin futures and exchange-traded funds, ETFs, are now available for traditional investors. These developments signal growing mainstream acceptance and investment in Bitcoin. As more institutions allocate capital into Bitcoin, it is likely to enhance its price stability and push the market upward in 2025. Global economic conditions. The macroeconomic environment is also supporting Bitcoin's potential. In the face of rising inflation, currency devaluation, and economic uncertainty, more individuals and institutions are turning to Bitcoin as a hedge against traditional financial systems. Bitcoin's limited supply of 21 million coins makes it an attractive store of value, especially as fiat currencies continue to be printed in large quantities. Regulatory clarity. While regulatory challenges remain, the global movement toward clearer regulations could benefit Bitcoin's long-term prospects. Countries like El Salvador, which adopted Bitcoin as legal tender, and the growing conversations around crypto regulations in the US and Europe are gradually creating a more stable regulatory environment. Clearer regulations could attract institutional investors who have previously hesitated to enter the space due to uncertainty. Technological developments. Improvements in Bitcoin's underlying technology, such as the Lightning Network, are helping solve scalability issues, reducing transaction costs, and increasing transaction speeds. These upgrades could significantly enhance Bitcoin's usability and adoption, making it more viable as a global payment system. Growing public awareness and demand. Public interest in Bitcoin has steadily increased over the years, with more people becoming aware of its potential as a financial asset and a hedge against inflation. The growing number of Bitcoin wallets and the increasing number of retail investors joining the market indicate a broader acceptance of Bitcoin in everyday transactions. Given these factors, especially the halving event, institutional adoption, and a supportive macroeconomic environment, the potential for Bitcoin to experience a significant surge in 2025 is strong. However, while the momentum is building, caution is still necessary as volatility remains a characteristic of the cryptocurrency market. If you're eager to learn more about Bitcoin and the world of crypto, make sure to check out our cryptocurrency and blockchain playlist. It's packed with everything you need to know, from market trends to the latest blockchain innovations. Don't miss out on the knowledge that could help you navigate the future of finance. Watch it now and get ahead of the curve. What do you think? Will Bitcoin see another massive surge in 2025, or will it face more hurdles? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your predictions. And if you're hungry for more insights into the world of crypto and Bitcoin, be sure to check out my next video for the latest trends and expert opinions. Don't miss out. Let's dive deeper into the future of digital currencies.